Hi guys, I hope you're well. Today on this recipe, I'll be sharing with you how you can make butternut squash soup at home. It is so easy, and this same recipe can be used to make pumpkin soup. So I've just peeled my butternut, and then after that I'm just cutting to small pieces, and do not forget to remove the seeds. And these seeds, you can roast them, they are very nutritious. And after that, cut into small pieces and then clean it. Then onto a hot pot, fry onions. So you're just going to let the onions become soft and translucent. After that, just go ahead and add crushed garlic and ginger like you see here. And after that, add your spices. I just added paprika powder and cinnamon powder, and after that I give it a very good mix, ensuring that the spices are fragrant. And also, I learned this from my friend: just add a tablespoon of sugar, and then you're just going to have a very sweet soup. Now, you do not have to add the sugar, it is completely optional. But after the spices are cooked like you see here, just go ahead and add the butternut, and then you're just going to give that a very good mix, ensuring that everything comes together nicely and ensuring that the butternut absorbs the flavors from the spices. At this point also, you can add salt to taste. Do not add a lot of salt, guys. Just a little amount will be okay. So add enough water to cook the butternut. Now this depends on the amount of the butternut that you're making. So just add water, and then you're just going to give that a good stir, and then cover the pot and allow this to cook until it is soft. And if you like, you can add other veggies to this butternut soup. You can add carrots, you can also add hohos, that is the bell peppers. And like you see, at this point the butternut was ready, so I just set it aside to cool before going ahead to the next step. Now for this step, you can use an immersion blender, but I just used the normal blender. Just add everything there, like you see, and then add milk to it. You can also use cream if you've got it at hand. I like to use fresh milk. It makes the soup creamier and very rich. So just go ahead and add the milk, and after that you continue to blend. And guys, for the life of me, I could not get the lid, my blender's lid. I could not get it, so this is what I went ahead and used. And just blend, ensuring that you blend to the last like solid particle. Do not leave anything solid. Ensure that it is smooth. Now to serve this soup, you can just toast some bread. It will be delicious, guys. And like you can see, the soup was already looking good. So just go ahead into the pot that you had cooked with, just add it there, and then you're going to stir it for 2 minutes, evaporate most of the water, and then you're going to be left with a thick and very creamy soup. Like you've seen, it is so easy to do. You can do this at home. I hope you like this video, and until next time, bye bye.